Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Azerbaijan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you did at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going towards this e-visa process because it's very easy to apply and it boosts tourism too. And you can apply it from anywhere. So in front of you, I have opened this Azerbaijan eVisa website. There, it's in 3 step application. First, file your application, do the payment, and all go well. Then you can download. Okay. Now, something you should definitely check. First of all, which country, which nationalities are eligible for eVisa. Okay. Definitely you should do. India is also eligible. Okay. And frequently asked questions. This is very important. Like validity, fee. Okay, other things are all answered here. Okay, I don't have to go to every node and tell you, but you can definitely check it yourself. So once you are ready, you can click on application. First, select the nationality. So I'm just putting sample, you do it as per your own case. In India, select ordinary passport. Okay, now then you have to do this step, verification code. Okay, next is the purpose. I select tourism, but there are other things too. So when you apply standard, it will be processed in 3 working days. Urgent means 3 hours. We'll go for urgent in a different video. Starting date of visa validity. So total 90 days they are showing. So based on starting date that you pick up. So let's say I pick up 15th. Okay. So they have given this. Okay. Fee is given. Okay. Visa fee plus service fee. Continue. Terms condition you should definitely read and understand. Then accept. Okay. So I'm putting some sample. You do it as per. So your surname, given name, date of birth, as per your case, and every piece of information guys you enter here, you have to verify it at least 2 times. Okay, country of birth, place of birth, and it should match with your passport too, because if not you could be in a trouble, right? Occupation, phone number, mobile number, permanent residence address. I mean, you know your address, right? Your email address, passport number, passport issue date, expiry date. Check your passport and do such things. Address. So if you have already booked a hotel, you have the address, right? So definitely, like, or if you're gonna stay with a friend or someone, you know where you're gonna stay. Copy of your passports you're gonna upload, and then you're gonna click on complete application. Next is gonna be email verification. They will send a verification link to your email that you need to put, or let me just go through it. So basically what it does, it sends an email to your email address. You need to confirm it, and from there you go for the payment. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.